For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
COVID-19 comes with many symptoms, and the most common ones are sore throat, fever, and breathing issues. But experts have seen that new symptoms keep coming up at regular intervals. It is now proven that this disease affects the central nervous system. According to a new study at the University of Cincinnati in the US, anxiety exhibited in COVID-19 patients may be a sign of central nervous system being affected. In fact, another study at an Istanbul university showed that nearly 50% of all COVID-19 patients in the ICU had brain abnormalities on MRI scans. News9 Digital spoke to leading neurologists and psychologists to decode the impact of COVID-19 on central nervous system or CNS.
COVID-19 affects many organ systems in the body. Predominantly it affects the respiratory system, but the central nervous system is also frequently affected. Now, how does the virus affect the central nervous system? It is well known that once it enters the respiratory system through the nose, it can affect the nerve endings over there, and there can be retrograde transmission to the brain.
The recent study also revealed that these two psychological symptoms were most closely associated with the loss of smell and taste.
So the commonest central nervous system symptoms that we see are headache, malaise, dizziness. Smell and taste loss also occurs in almost 80 to 85% of patients with COVID-19.
It is said that both the central and peripheral nervous systems are affected by COVID-19.
Both central nervous system and peripheral nervous system can be affected in COVID-19. So we have cerebrovascular disorders such as strokes occurring in the central nervous system manifestations. Also, there can be encephalopathy, which is a transient alteration in consciousness. There can be encephalitis, COVID encephalitis, and also there can be acute necrotizing encephalitis as well, which is a more severe form of encephalitis.
The healthcare workers face a challenge in identifying these manifestations so as to ensure that the COVID-19 patients are isolated and treated at the earliest.
Very often patients present to us with these central nervous system manifestations rather than with respiratory manifestations. So it is important to have a high index of suspicion while seeing patients of stroke or Guillain-Barré syndrome or encephalitis that the underlying cause could be COVID-19.
NIMHANS director Dr. B.N. Gangadhar said that it is too premature to say that COVID-19 directly attacks the nervous system because the hallmark is an acute reaction by the infected cell. As psychological changes could be brought about due to COVID-19, mental care and trauma centers are to be well equipped to combat this situation. Researchers have long thought that the olfactory tract may be the primary way that coronaviruses enter the central nervous system. Common factors assessed during central nervous system manifestations in COVID-19 patients could include depressed mood and anxiety,